Here is our respected sir. Sir, please say something about this bird.
Uh, uh, I'm delighted to see the birds flying here,
Yeah.
which is known as the falcon birds, flying from the different countries. Actually, they are all these are migrated birds, and I'm happy to see all these migrated birds. And it is my privilege that our students are also observing the flyings of the migrated birds. And I like to request all the people to come here and see this wonderful scenery.
Is this the whole year in here?
No. It is quite seasonal. These migrated birds come only in the month of November also. And the people of the UMARANGSO, its local NGOs and government of Dimahasao observes falcon festivals in collaboration with the Department of Forest.
Thank you, sir.
बेयाव बेदर संनांगौ होननानै मानसि फैदों बेयाव 35 जन मानि बेदर संनांगौ होनबाय थांबाय
बेफोर गासिबो दाउ मोना जानायखाय केमेराया बेखौ हमदांस हायाखै लाख लाख दाउफ्रा बेयाव फैदों बेफोर गाहायाव गासैबो पाइन बिफां दङ बे पाइन बिफाङाव दान्दिसे उनाव बे दाउफ्रा बागोन
लासै बागासिनो दङ
मोनानायजों बागासिनो लासैनो उनाव गासै दाउआनो बागोन जानांगौ नोंथांमोना नुदों नै बेयो डिमाहासाव जिल्लानि उमरांस' होननाय जायगायाव दङ थ' मिजिंथियो गासैबो सुबुंफोरा बेखौ नायफैयो